In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using your mobile phone. Make sure you go to your App Store and Play Store and download, or if you have the Canva app on your mobile, then you are good to go. When you open the app, you will see a lot of options or a lot of designs format here that you can choose any of it, but this one that we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail for our YouTube video. So you can come to the search button and search for YouTube thumbnail, or you can scroll and find YouTube thumbnail here, and you need to go and select the kind of video that you want to use. So I want to use this one. So now you have choose or your image and the rest already. Make sure the image that I want to use, I have the background removed. To remove the background, make sure you open your browser and go to remove.bg or remove background. Open the website. It's a free blue session, and tap on the image that you want to remove the background and hit on done at the top there. Wait for it. It will remove the video background for you easily. So this is the background that it has removed for me. So this is my background that I'm going to use. I need to go to Canva again. Let's change the image here. So I type on the image and then go in and delete that one, and then go to gallery and find the image that you want to use. So I want to use this one. I tap on it, then I click on add page, stretch it to match the screen. So this one is cool. I need to change the background. See, we have the color here. Tap on the color. I can choose from any color or change the color here. I can also use any of these colors and tap on this one. You can change the color how you want it to look, then, or you can use a gradient for it. Now I need to edit the text. I tap on the text, or you can delete all these text and use your own text. Then I change the font and choose area bold. You come to the text stars, how you want the stars to be. You can do that one. I want to change the font size. If you want to change the color, you can come in and change the color of. So let me add shadow to it. Come in and edit the shadow. If you tap on it, you can edit the shadow, and you can change the shadow color of it. Go to the effect again. Let me add the outline, change the size and change the color too. This is how you can edit the text. The font size of this one, YouTube. Okay, look pretty good. Then this one too, I can add an effect to it. Let me add an effect to it. Come to effect. Let me add a shadow. Okay, now. Okay. Yeah. I can tap on it, decrease it, and decrease this one too. Okay, I can change the background to white. Okay, then you go back to it. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Then let me go back and add the YouTube, this one. Tap on it, add the YouTube logo. I can search it here. Go to element and search for YouTube. So you can see we have a bunch of YouTube, so you can select any of this one. We have a paid version and a free version, so I want to use this one. I scroll it down, scale it to fit this background. Let me scale this one again, and this one you can't. So after you have done, then you come to this, tap on it. We have the download link here. Tap on download, choose the one you prefer. Sorry, choose any of this one, the one that you preferred, and then hit on download to download. So this is how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.